What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be showing you how to use your bottle jack that comes with your Jeep TJ. This guy's going to show you how to use it. And Enrique actually had shot me an email, so thank you for giving me this video idea. So we're just going to show you where it's located and then how to use it. Oh, it's freezing today too. It's about 0 degrees with the wind chills. So, all right. So we have our factory jack is located underneath the passenger seat. To get it off, just this little bungee strap down on this to unlatch it like that. Then we can sometimes it might be a little bit of tight fit, so just turn the jack so it gets loose. Keep turning it till it's kind of sucking in a little bit more so you can actually pull it out. So right at the front here, I'm probably going to jack it up somewhere close by the control arm. We're going to jack it right up there, and we'll see if I can actually jack it up with 35-inch tires or not. So to get the rest of the tools for it, come inside here, and on the side of the passenger area here, you're going to unvelcro. So we're going to take these tools out. Alright guys, so another thing that you want to make sure you do is do on the diagonal of where you're tiring. So right now I'm changing the passenger side tire. I'm going to chalk or block off the driver's side rear tire with that. That way, just in case something would fail, the Jeep's not going to roll away. And then I also have the e-brake on, and then I left it in gear. So we have a little laminated instructions on how to use this, which is kind of cool. So this is the first time this has actually been opened, which is pretty neat. Alright, so this is the little diagram it's showing us here. So this has like a flat end on it. I'm gonna stick it in there, and then we're just gonna clockwise turns it up, so we're just gonna keep turning up with it. All right, so to get the little extension piece on, at least in the factory, this is going to be closed kind of tight like that. You want to pull it forward so it's a little bit loose like that. Stick this end in there and clip it around the other side. So now we have this extension piece, and now it's good that way. So we're just going to keep twisting this to get it up a little higher. Okay, so now that I got the jack pretty much kind of tight here, just going to slowly keep turning, and as you can see here, this is how I have it set up. So that's how you can set it in there and use it to turn and lift the Jeep. So just going to see how we're doing, and you do not want to be under this at all. And yeah, my tire, I'm really close. So I'm maxed out with 35-inch tires on stock suspension and that jack. So what I have seen people do, which I'm not going to say to do or not to do, but if you're in a pinch, I have seen people jack up on this control arm area. So I've seen that online. Bring this thing down so you can kind of. So we're running out of daylight here, but so yeah. So that's the idea behind the factory jack. The factory does say even on the rear, use the axle tube. It says it in the manual. So like I said, I've seen a guy jack it up underneath there. If you have no other option, I guess you could do that quickly. All right, so a tip when you're putting your jack back, you want to do your tire, your lug nut wrench first. So put that in first. Then you're going to want to set the jack in, tie the strap down, and then you're going to want to just tighten the jack. Make sure this flange is set up with this notch here, and then the back has a notch too, and then just twist it tight. Not too tight, but enough so it's not going to rattle. A little bit more. And then now it's not going to rattle at all. So that's kind of the easy way. There's a little clip here for the tie rod so that doesn't rattle around. And then obviously just got to Velcro this guy back in place. But yeah, whew. So anyway guys, I hope this video helped. If it did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys. And I'm going to go inside and get warm. It's about 0 out today, so I'm kind of freezing. So anyway, guys, like I said, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.